Hello, my name is Adora, and we'll be going over the role of kinetochore in cell division. So what are kinetochores? Kinetochores are a protein complex located at the centrosome of chromosome. They play an important role by overlooking the attachment of spindle microtubules to the chromosome. During anaphase, kinetochores are responsible for moving chromosomes to opposite ends of the spindle pole, ensuring accurate cell division. Another structure we'll be looking over are microtubules. So microtubules are cylindrical structures composed primarily of tubulin proteins. So we have alpha tubulin and beta tubulin, which make up a tubulin dimer. They provide an important structural support to the cell. They also play a role in intracellular transport by aiding the transport of material within the cell. They are important for cell division by forming the mitotic spindle. Additionally, microtubules contribute to cell movement and help maintain the shape. So we'll be looking over two types of anaphase. So we have here anaphase A, which is a stage in cell division where the chromosomes are pulled apart to opposite ends of the cell, and the kinetochore microtubule shorten, pulling the chromosome apart. The chromosome moves towards the opposite pole end of the cell. So think of it like a tug of war, where the microtubule are ropes pulling the chromosome to each side of the cell. While on the other hand, anaphase B is a stage in cell division where the poles of the cell move further apart. So interpolar microtubules push against each other, moving the centrosome pole further apart, while axial microtubules pull the centrosome toward the membrane. So another analogy would be to think of it like a stretching of a rubber band from both ends, making the cell longer. So we want to highlight the stable relationship between kinetochores and microtubulin. And one structure we'll go over if you look in the orange section in the middle of the image are Aurora B kinase, which help in fixing mistakes by modifying kinetochores to break incorrect attachment and form correct ones. So we have spindle assembly checkpoint, which double check to correct attachment, making sure that everything is in place. And tension between sister chromosomes are important because they help stabilize the attachment of microtubules. So in conclusion, stable relationship for kinetochores ensure accurate chromosome segregation and correct cell division. So the primary end goal of a kinetochore in anaphase is to make sure that each sister chromatid is pulled towards the opposite pole of its cell. So this equal distribution helps in genetic material to the two daughter cells. So a stable relationship for kinetochores ensure accurate chromosome segregation and correct cell division. So in summary, the kinetochore is important for cell division. So think of it like a bridge that think of kinetochores as a bridge that links chromosomes to machinery that pulls them apart. So the location of the kinetochore is primarily found in the center of the chromosome. The kinetochore connects chromosomes to spindle fibers, And the movement is aided by chromosomes by shortening the spindle fibers. The kinetochore checks the chromosomes are that the kinetochore checks that chromosomes are properly attached before cell division. And you see here an image of the kinetochore structure and how it's attached to the microtubule by a fibrous corona. So thank you for coming to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it.